Welcome to Software to See from Festo. In this video we show you how to configure and use some of the features of the Positioner CMSH. In our setup, the Positioner is connected to the computer via a HART modem on the computer, and FDT framework is installed. When the connection is established, the dashboard can give a short overview. The overall device state according to NAMUR recommendation 107 is displayed at the top of the page. The below section gives further information about the device state. With information on operation mode and set point source on the left-hand side, the initialization state in the middle and the tight closing on the right-hand side. Besides presentations of analog input value with the setpoint value and the measured actual position, there are gauges for supply pressure, temperature and actuated chamber pressure. Detailed information and configuration settings can be found below device in the navigation menu. The identification section shows device-specific parameters. User and application-specific parameters can be found in the lower section of the page. Guided Setup is a wizard that offers the most relevant information for an easy start of the CMSH, as for example, the correlation of the ventilation state of port 2 and the setpoint value. A fundamental part of first setup is the automatic initialization of the device. It can be started with the button on the lower end of the page. Within parameterization section, further configurations can be applied, including the correlation of the analog input value and the internal setpoint value. Factory-wise, a linear correlation between the current loop input from 4 to 20 mA and the internal setpoint value from 0 to 100% is set. The setpoint direction as well as the linear correlation can be adapted. There are predefined nonlinear options available plus a user-defined setpoint curve in the correspondent tab. The type closing function is used to ensure maximum actuator force at the end positions. Stroke limitation can be used to restrict the physical working range of the system with the giving rising setpoint direction. The current loop input, or 4 mA, can be limited to the displayed lower stroke limitation value. Analog position feedback can be configured in a similar way, whereas the feedback direction is changeable an inversion of the characteristic curve. Within the position control configuration, the control mode and deadband can be edited. In order to avoid overspeed travel time, extensions can be activated. Furthermore, the trajectory planning can be deactivated in this section. If necessary, direction-dependent PID control parameters are accessible for experts. The digital input section allows to configure the input logic for activating the below configured behavior of the system. Digital outputs are configured in a similar way, whereby the output logic defines the desired output value for a below-defined system event. Furthermore, it's possible to switch between a more output mode 1.2 mA for low and 2.1 mA for high level or PLC output mode 0 volts respectively 24 volts. Assembly-related settings are shown in section device and can be used to adjust the behavior of the CMSH to your application. Settings might be limited due to other options. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. See you next time.